In this video, we will count down the top 7 amazing megaprojects in Egypt, starting with
Number 7.
Epic Residential Complex Project in Sheikh Zayed, Egypt. The View Real Estate, a leading real estate investment company in Egypt, has launched its Epic Residential Complex Project in Sheikh Zayed, October 6 City, with a total investment of over $63 million. All varieties of opulent residential properties, including single-family homes, townhouses, and twin residences, are included in the Epic Residential Complex Project. With a green area of 500 square meters for each independent villa, sidewalks, cycle lanes, a children's playground, artificial lakes, cameras, and a sports hall, it will be implemented on 20% of buildings and 80% of green spaces. In a special area of the project, a shopping center, an entertainment area, and a service area will also be built. The project will be carried out over the course of about 3 years, beginning at the end of 2021 in 2 phases.
Number 6.
Vivid Tower Project in Egypt's new administrative capital. In Egypt's new administrative capital, IHD Developments, a Gulf Egyptian company, has begun construction on its first project, known as Vivid Tower. The general plan for the project has been approved and permits are being given out. The estimated cost of construction is just over $38 million, and the company plans to allocate nearly $6.4 million toward building the tower in 2023. The tower has 2 basements, a ground floor, and a total of 14 upper floors. It is an integrated commercial and administrative tower. The ground and first floors are set for commercial use, with a total of 12 stores on the ground floor and 7 on the first floor. The 2nd to the 13th floors are dynamic floors set for administrative purposes, while the 14th floor is an annex floor. The tower has a panoramic view, 2 elevators for commercial units, 4 lifts, 3 for administrative floors and 1 for services, and a big lobby facing the lifts. It also has 4 meeting rooms, spaces for taking breaks, a cafeteria on the 2nd floor, and toilets on each floor, and additional shared meeting rooms on each floor.
Number 5.
Egypt's first high-speed railway. Construction works have begun on Egypt's first high-speed railway from Ain Sokhna to Marsa Matruh, respectively on the Red Sea coast and Mediterranean coast. The first leg of the railway will run from Ain Sokhna to El Alamein, while the second leg will link the Red Sea's main port with Alexandria and the port of Matruh Gargub. The third lane will connect Hurghada and Safaga with Kina and Luxor, and the fourth will connect 6 October City with Luxor and Aswan. In 24 months, the project should be fully operational. The track and road on which the express train will run are being prepared by Egyptian and local contracting firms, Orascom Construction and Arab contractors. Siemens Mobility of Germany will put the project's signaling and communication systems in place and provide the trains that will run on them. Detonating explosives are used to blow up mountains that block the railroad's route. The parties involved will be paid $23 billion for building and maintaining the rail network over 15 years, according to a memorandum of understanding signed with Egypt's National Authority for Tunnels. It is supposed that by 2023, the first line will be completed, according to the agreed-upon time plan for this significant project. Moreover, each line is set to take 2 years to complete.
Number 4.
Suez Canal Petro-Refinery Complex. The construction of a petrochemical complex by the Egyptian government will cost $7.5 billion. It will be built in the industrial area of Ain Sokhna, which is at the southern entrance to the Suez Canal. Red Sea National Refining and Petrochemicals and the Primary Development Organization of the Suez Canal Economic Zone signed the agreement. The complex is a part of Egypt's efforts to create an energy hub in the Eastern Mediterranean and is anticipated to assist Egypt in meeting the demands of the domestic market for petroleum and petrochemical products. The downstream facility will be used to refine and produce a variety of petroleum and chemical products. The Egyptian government is hoping the project will reduce imports and generate exports. It will be built on an area of 3.56 million square meters and is scheduled to be completed by the end of 2024.
Number 3.
Construction of residential skyscrapers in New Alamein City. The New Urban Communities Authority has signed an agreement to build 5 residential skyscrapers in New Alamein City. Essam El-Ghazar, the Egyptian Minister of Housing, Utilities and Urban Communities, Mohammed El-Badri, the Egyptian Ambassador to China, and Liao Liqian, the Chinese Ambassador to Egypt, all participated in a virtual signing ceremony at which the agreements were signed. The The project, which is 90 kilometers from Alexandria, features 5 residential towers with services that look out onto a man-made lake. The construction of one of the towers, which is 250 meters high and has a surface area of 465,000 square meters, will take 45 months. The construction of the other 4 towers, which are each 200 meters high and 320,000 square meters in surface area, will take 39 months.
Number 2.
A monorail project to be constructed in Egypt's new administrative capital. The new administrative capital city and 6th of October city monorail projects in Egypt have chosen Hill International to provide project management, design review, and implementation supervision services. The first monorail system in North Africa, the estimated $4 billion project will have a length of 98.5 kilometers, making it the longest monorail system in the world. The first line of the project will cover 42 kilometers from the 6 October city to Giza and 56.5 kilometers from East Cairo to the new administrative capital. Once finished, the 2 lines will have a combined peak capacity of about 45,000 passengers per hour, significantly enhancing Egyptian citizens' mobility in a safe and sustainable manner. The project will use the design, build, operate, and maintain delivery method and include 34 stations, maintenance facilities, depots, and an operations control center. It will also intersect with the Cairo Metro's Line 3 and Cairo's high-speed rail network, connecting the dynamic Cairo region.
Number 1.
Entertainment District. In Egypt, a 4,256-acre entertainment district is going to be built. There will be theme parks, 4- and 6-star resorts, luxury homes, villas and high-rise buildings, a wellness center, upscale and local dining options, a VIP golf course, and other leisure and entertainment options. Construction on the project began in 2015. The entertainment district will feature a cultural arts center, a convention center, botanical gardens, a planetarium, a museum, recreational activities for children, a sports and concert stadium, a Formula One racetrack, and an entertainment college. It will cost $20 billion, and ATIP New Capital Entertainment won a contract from the Administrative Capital for Urban Development to provide design, entertainment technology, and management for the project. ATIP Entertainment CEO El Sayed Zion announced that the district will have the world's tallest observation wheel and the world's tallest obelisk to showcase Egypt's future. The development will also include a multimodal transportation hub that will connect with the new administrative capital's superhighways, infrastructure, and high-speed rails. Over 700,000 jobs will be created during the construction period. Once completed, the world's tallest observation wheel and obelisk will be a major tourist attraction for Egypt, boosting the country's economy. Additionally, the multimodal transportation hub will provide convenient and efficient transportation options for locals and visitors alike. This concludes our coverage of the top ongoing mega projects in Egypt. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this channel.